Hansa Mechanics Tartu is part of the Hansa Group, what is listed in stock market in Stockholm. We are in 6 different countries. We are selling our clients full production service. We are located in 7 countries. We are offering to our customers full production service, and our slogan is "All you need is one." So we are dealing with full supply chain management, producing different items also, like sheet metal parts, milling, turning, electronics, cabling, and full assembly box build service. We are interested in these kind of cooperations to increase our efficiency and improve our processes even faster with innovation, and also to help improve European industry in larger scale.
Hansa Mechanics Tartu gave the challenge to oiACADEMY to find a solution for a paper-free production. At the moment we have a lot of paper in use when producing parts, and we would actually like to get rid of them. This project could benefit for us when we are talking about green movement, which is very popular nowadays, and we would like to get rid of papers also because they get lost a lot, and a lot of information is not updated as fast as we would like to see it in production. So the information doesn't reach the operators or workers instantly, but with the digital solution it would. We would like to see new and bright ideas and solutions from students that are in the universities. They probably have some new information, totally new, radical ideas, and solutions that we haven't even thought about. Hansa is an international company with a lot of expertise in a lot of different areas, so we can give also back to universities the knowledge that we have acquired through the years.
Our company Jano is all about participating in the open innovation and blending the technical know-how with soft skills like leadership and teamwork. And oiACADEMY there connects entrepreneurs, students and the scientists from the university. And this helps us to solve the problems and learn by doing it. And it equips the participants in our company and our business to build the strong development teams and transfer the knowledge from the science to the business. This is all driven by the principles of open innovation and leadership, which is invaluable for us to explore future markets and growth.